White's objective here is to kill black on the corner. We should first realize that these two white stones are not savable. If we stand down, black can simply play this move. In fact, when white plays any moves here on the first line and second line, it will just fail instantly after black plays here at number 2. If white plays here, then black can play here on the first line. And these 3 white stones now will still be captured. An ideal scenario would be something like this. This way, black is dead. But the problem with that variation is that black's number 2 can be here, capturing number 1 as well. Now, because black is able to capture white like this, black will be alive very easily. So we should go back to this, and if we just allow black to capture like this, then white will fail. However, white can play this move. And now, it seems a little more promising, because there's something like this. 1, 3, and 7 can form a capture 3, recapture 1 scenario that can potentially allow white to connect. Except that now, black can play this Atari and cut off number 5. Even if white tries something like this Ko, black can simply connect here and capture 3 and 9 this way. So white will fail this way. The problem lies with this sequence. And the correct move is actually this diagonal here on the first line. It's a very good move. We see this diagonal on the first line in some of the other problems in this book as well. Now, if black Atari is here, white's correct move is not here. Playing here will go back to the previous variation. Instead, white can jump here on the first line. Now, black is not able to cut white off. And now with this capture 3, recapture 1, white is all connected, and black cannot find a second real eye here on the corner. If black plays something like this, and stands all the way down to the first line, then white can win this race to capture. So black will fail this way as well. So overall, this is not a very easy problem. Finding 1, 3, and 5, the correct sequence, takes a little bit of patience, and playing at number 5 takes a little bit of experience. Besides learning this very neat move at number 5, you should also remember that this capture 3, recapture 1 pattern is also very good for connection in some circumstances. I hope you enjoyed this pattern, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.